confirmed.
Jopuonj Sekondar mag Junia Sekondar Kaunti ma Bungoma obuogo rem keto kokgi e barupe kata obok mag tich dwe mar achiel manyien ka gilero ni ma en kaluore kod sand mowuok kuom duol mandiko jopuonje tich e pacho ka TSC ka giloso e boma ma Bungoma. Jopuonj go lero ni gionge kod gigo madwarore mag tich. Jopuonj go bende oyango chal marach mar kit gedo e sikunde mag Junia Sekondar Kaunti ma kelo chandruok mar somo ne jopuonjre.
Comrades, viva! Viva! Maguls, viva!
Solidarity forever!
At this time, we are domiciled in primary schools, and we feel that we are teaching technical subjects. Like I'm one teacher who teaches computer, and the facilities for computers are not available. You move around, there's no computer user environment, and teachers are really suffering, and they want you to deliver in that subject. Therefore, it becomes a problem for us.
I'm so much embarrassed as one of the fraternity of junior secondary school teachers. How can you imagine these people have kept us since February of this year, being junior interns? You imagine a learner whom you've taught, like let's say has graduated, like let's say 2022. Someone has been offered a job. Then the more thing that is really embarrassing is that some of the political leaders, political class, they are dishing out letters to these young teachers who have graduated recently. Then teachers who are senior, we are still holding us as what? As senior.